So we are here. We will go to the famous castle. They call this castle Susi. No. Sans Susi, the castle, Sans Susi. Yes. Another train's coming, and it's going to the city. So we will go there, and then after this, go back in the city.
On a la journée ici, hein, parce que c'est le week-end.
So guys, we are going now. We are now going here in this beautiful castle, and this is the entrance. There you go, guys. It's too beautiful. The castle is very, very far. Okay. This is the entrance of the castle, guys. Ito yung entrance ng castle, and it's in the middle of this very, very long way. And this is the castle, guys. We are near now. And this is the castle that we are going to visit today. And it's all big castle. All of that's a castle until there. That's the castle that we are going to visit. And the castle is still continue over there and here. Okay, film me. I'm going towards you and then click the white one up.
Je sais. Allez, allez, on y va. Vas-y. Ah, bon. Click the white down.
Hello guys, good morning. We are here in the castle of Sans Susi, and this castle is a very historical castle, and we are going to visit this, and we will see what is inside of the castle. So here we are. We're going to this castle. So let's go, guys. We are going there. So this is the castle. So guys, we are here, and then you get inside of the castle. This is not the entrance. Beautiful. This one is beautiful. Yeah. Can do it later or now? So, ito yung castle na pupuntahan natin. I-visit natin sa loob kung pwede. Yan.
Or you want that bit?
So you're going here. Potsdam University. Okay, this is a university. Going up. So guys, pupunta tayo sa loob. Titignan natin kung ano meron dito. Ah, it's closed. And we just see it outside from here. So at least we see it there. It's fine. Let's go. Okay, bye-bye. So here is also beautiful. Alright. Yes. So guys, here is also a beautiful view. Here is complete view. Wow, here. We will take a picture here. Beautiful. Beautiful here. You can see this one. So guys, we are going to get a ticket. And then we are going to enter the castle. Guys, we are going to show you this hallway. And here I'll just show you this quickly. So this is the hallway. So here on the other side. Good. You can see here. So we are here. This is also another entrance, and the post is too big. This is the map of the park and the castle. And this is that we saw here. That one and that one.
And somewhere there's a famous staircase.
It's a very big one.
I think maybe it's this one. There's shoes.
Okay.
No?
This is the famous terrace and we were going there.
And
It's very big.
4:30 p.m.
It's a very big one.
What day are we today?
Today is Thursday.
It's closed.
We're going to get a ticket now. The ticket tour, and this
Yeah,
is the
it will
price.
be no longer 12 because it's to the 20.
Okay. Going to the new palace. We'll see inside of the new palace. This is the new palace. And we get our ticket already. And then we will see what is inside of this new palace. And I'll show you the ticket, guys. This is the ticket going there. New palace. And we have the two castle that we are going to visit. And this is the first one, the new palace. So we are going now. This is the new palace, guys. The entrance for this castle or palace is 22 euros per person. Time to get in. Okay, bigyan mo daw.
C'est bon.
Vielen Weihnachtsbäume immer noch. Wir sind im zweiten Festsaal der Marmorgalerie. Auf dieser Raum
elephant also needed never saw that. Imagination of the artist.
Okay, let's go.
Im Prinzip dieselbe Situation, auch wieder diese dickere Gitterstruktur, rechts ein Reiher, links ein Reiher, da ist es der linke Reiher. Berliner Währung. Man würde Frankreich, Italien für seine Produktion im 18. Jahrhundert vermuten. Nicht statt. Der König hatte im Schloss Roses ein eigenes Konzertzimmer, da darf man sich viel eher die Konzerte mit dem König vorstellen. Dieser Konzertraum war allein mit Freimaurerei-Wänden. Friedrich II. War Freimaurer und den Freimaurern ist die aufgehende Sonne Symbol. Und damit yes. 18. Jahrhunderts. Wir haben in diesem Raum das obere Gäste-Apartment betreten. Wenn Sie
Yeah, the last one big, that's why you put the bathroom and stuff. But they were living.
It's beautiful.
So here is again a number for the elderly appliances. Bei uns im Haus, der König hatte im 7-jährigen Krieg Sachsen besetzt, so die meisten Manufaktur, das meiste Porzellan bei uns. Wir sind in dem Hier oben glänzt der Fußboden so ein bisschen wie neu, aber es ist der alte Fußboden, relativ frisch restauriert. Die letzte Restaurierung hier 2016. Tatsächlich musste man
Almost, but it's not so clean. Celui-là, regarde, il n'est pas très beau celui-là. Il est abîmé. Il est interesting.
wir sind im oberen
with our visit in this palace, and then we go in another one, and this is the exit. Here. So this is the palace that we went, and then we have already our visit and we are done. I will walk towards.
Go, hurry.
It's against the light here. So there you go, we are done here.